Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you one of the classes that I took at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was here in Mesa a couple weeks ago. And it was called Beautiful Botanical Coloring for Beginners because I'm still a beginner. It was a beginner class on blending and using COPIC markers, and so last year I took one that was like this on skin tones. If you are a follower of mine, you will have remembered that. If not, I'll leave a link to that video here. But same this year, we got a pack of COPIC markers. I think they're new to me. I don't think I had any of them. Maybe I do. Maybe they're duplicates. I don't know. But we learned a lot about the reason for the COPICs, design, that the way you should use them, the way you should store them, possible reasons why they run out of ink. You know, you can refill these. They sell the nibs to replace them. So yeah, lots of stuff I learned about COPICs. And then just going over the brush technique, because they have a brush on one side and a nib on the other side. And you should always remove both sides of the cap when you use them to avoid blotting. And so the purple is what I did in the class, and then you'll see me do the green here in a minute. And then I might finish doing this purple and the green stem, and then yeah, so it was a good class. I would suggest, even if you're intermediate or maybe an expert colorist, I would suggest you go to the class if you're able to. There's only 2 more conventions left, so you might have missed your chance if you hadn't. But it is taught by Sweet Sentiment Stamps, and they did give a coupon for attending the class, and so you were able to get, I think it was 25% off. Could be wrong, could have been 15%, but I did choose to get this stamp and die set, and it's just more sentiments. I'm not so fond about stamping the sentiment on my project. I like adding it as another layer. I don't know how to explain that, but yeah. So these are the sentiments I got, stamp and die sets from Sweet Sentiment Stamps. And so I'll play the coloring of this and of the rest, and I'll be back. So this was a great class. It was an hour and a half. I think it was well worth the price. You know, I added 6 more markers to my collection. This little nifty sand too, they sell in their booth, probably online as well. But it's just to hold your markers that you're working with and the caps, so you can keep them separated how you should with the chisel and the brush nib. So yeah, just a little share on my Copic marker journey. I bought a bunch of stamp sets, so I should be coloring shortly, and I'll be doing some videos of those. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here, and until my next video, shakas.